In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create this AI effect. So to create that effect, first, we need to go to the platform NovoAds AI. The link is going to be in the comment section. And after you create the account, you will arrive here. Here, we need to click in the video section. And now we have to click in settings. Now, here where it says model, we need to choose the model Omniflash. And in length, we're going to use 10 seconds. Here, if you want, you can modify the aspect ratio to 16:9. That way the video will be horizontal, but in my case, I want the video to be vertical. Now here we have to click and upload our video that we will modify. So this is the video.
This protein completely changed my routine.
And actually, this is an AI video that I created for another tutorial, but it doesn't matter if it's a realistic video, AI video, animation video. What we will do with this other AI is to modify the original video. So let's click here, and now here where it says describe your video, we're going to use the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section, and you can just copy paste or modify it as you want. Now we have to click here, and now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 to 5 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result, so now let's see it.
This protein completely changed my routine. Amazing taste, real results, and you notice it super fast. Link in my profile, go grab it.
And there we have it. I really like the result. I don't know what you think, but well, if you want to do a video like this one, remember that the prompt will be in the comment section and that you can try this platform for just $1. That way you can try to create UGC video ads, videos with that type of effects, or do whatever you want. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.